we're currently in Venice. We're staying at a hotel near Rialto. This is a small plaza. This is the little hallway. There's a pharmacy here. You come down here, and on the left here is a laundry. So this is another plaza area. This is the laundry here. It opened at 7. We were here a few minutes before. There's a fridge there and a fridge here. We're staying at the Rialto near, so we came from here and the alleyway up here. Open every day from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. These are the washers. This is your option for dryers. There's 4. This is the machine. So none of the machines, you don't put coins or money into the machine itself. You put it into here, designate the machine number. That's how it goes. So I'll just kind of do this moment. You can put in bills or coins. You get change. Okay, so what we were told, a nice gentleman a couple of days ago showed us what to do. So he said, put your laundry in, which is correct. Put your laundry in, close the door. €6. Then you choose A, B, or C. A is for the least amount of detergent. B is medium, C is a lot. And then the temperature. Then you come here, it's €6. You put your money in, and you select the machine number. So we're using 2. You come to the machine. If you haven't already made your selection, you press start. Voila. We have 2 machines, so we did the same. €6. Number of your machine. I received some change. Make sure everything's what I want here in the selection, and then press start. We have a neighbor. Somebody came right after us too. So these are the dryers, same situation, €2, 10 minutes. Close in, close the door, put your money, designate the machine, and it starts. And we're just out here waiting in between. So I made this video because, first of all, going to Europe is hard to find a laundromat. And so we were clueless, and I want to give other people just a heads up. Okay.